Let's go over the U-tries from 3.5b. In your notes, we were working on completing this table. We have our radioactive substances, our half-life, which represents our time, and our decay rate, which is K. We are going to do number 2, 5, and 6. Number 2, krypton 85 has a decay rate of 0.063. Let's find out its half-life time. Handy-dandy formula is A equals A sub 0, which is my initial, times E raised to the K times T. Now, if I'm dealing with half-life, my final amount, A, is going to be 1/2 my initial amount. So I'm going to substitute this 1/2 A sub 0 in for A. And then my K is a negative 0.063 times T. I'm going to divide out the A sub 0s. If you notice, I've got an A sub 0 on both sides of the equal sign. If I divide it out on one side, it's just going to cancel out on the other. I get 1/2 equals E raised to the negative 0.063 T. Solving for that T, I got to get that exponent down. So what I'll do is I'll apply the natural log to both sides. Natural log is the inverse to E, so it's going to undo this E. It'll drop my exponent down. Natural log of 1/2 equals the natural log of E raised to the negative 0.063 T. Okay, natural log and E undo each other. Natural log of 1/2 equals negative 0.063 T. I got to isolate T. Let's divide by the coefficient of T. Negative 0.063. These reduce out. So the natural log of 1/2 divided by negative 0.063 equals T. From there you would pop that into a calculator, and what's going to come out is 11 years. Let's look at number 5, arsenic 74. Here we are given the time and we need to find the decay rate. I'm going to jump right in and go right into the step where we have the 1/2 A sub 0 in the front. You're going to find a lot of these. It's a lot of tedious work. And frankly, you're going to see a pattern and you're not going to want to show your work. And you know what? I can't blame you. I don't know if I were doing this much homework on it that I would show every single step, but please show every single step on your test. Okay, A sub 0 times E raised to, I don't know K, my T is 17.5. Okay, I can divide out my A sub 0s. 1/2 equals E raised to the 17.5 K. Natural log both sides. Okay, these undo each other. I get natural log of 1/2 equals my exponent drops down. And I'm just going to divide out that 17.5 from both sides. Okay, and again, we're going to pop that into the calculator, and what's going to come out? It's going to be a negative 0.039608. You can also write that as a percentage. Remember, you're going to move your decimal 2 places to the right. So that would be a 3.9608%. What's my time? Day. Per day. And it's understood that that's a decrease. You don't need the negative up front. Okay, calcium 47 times 113 hours. Let's jump into it. 1/2 A sub 0 equals A sub 0 times E raised to the 113 is my T. I don't know K. A sub 0s reduce out. Okay. Natural log both sides. Okay, my natural log undoes my E. My exponent drops down. Divide out that 113. There we go. And K is approximately a negative 0.00613, or as a percentage, 2 places to the right, that is 0.613%, and that is per hour. If you have any questions or need help, please feel free to contact me.